Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to install Blender using your Android device. Okay, first thing first, open the Chrome, search for Blender Mobile APK, enter the second link, GitHub. Okay, the latest version of this Blender is August 7, 2025. Go right here and download this APK file for me. I already downloaded this file. Go to download this. Okay, Blender. Allow. This is preparation of the install. Testing security. Okay, hit install. It's done. Now let's go our Blender. Get rid and write file permissions. Okay, hit confirm. Okay, return right here. Okay, Studio Blender is loading data. Okay, I hit confirm. This is the interface of Blender. The keyboard, you can open it right here. Let's confirm. Okay, this is the interface in Blender. Is the same as you can see in the PC. Hit general. This is my cube. This how to move that. This how to move, and you can get the keyboard from here. For example, go to G, press G, and you can press it and make it object. Okay, let's close this. Return here. Press here. Edit mode. You can edit it as you want. So select all edges, modeling tool, sculpting, UV editing, texture, shading, animations, and other things. Thank you guys for watching this or for this tutorial.